Hello geng. So, hari ni kita mulakan YouTube kita dengan cara vlog. Kalau Nina tak buat macam ni, Nina edit panjang-panjang, nanti sekejap je Nina akan upload panjang dan tak upload lagi. Jadi nak mudahkan kerja, you guys ikut je Nina exercise cara macam vlog. Okay? Okay, faham tak faham? So, kita akan mulakan dengan leg day tapi tanpa equipment. Okay? Let's go. So, kita akan buat first squat. Ada 4 jenis squat dan kita akan buat setiap satu 16 kali 3 set. Okay, let's go. So, first squat. Sebelum tu, kena warm up dulu. Warm up masing-masing. Warm up, panaskan badan dulu and then terus mula. Okay. Okay, first squat, kita hold squat and then kita 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. Okay. Relax kejap. Kita tak nak masa tu panjang-panjang. Kita tak nak banyak sangat masa. Kita akan rehat 30 second sahaja. And kita akan go to second squat. Okay. And then second squat. Whole squat macam biasa, macam tadi yang sama. And then go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. Ni mula dah rasa dah dekat perut. Rest sekejap 30 second. If you guys tak nak panjang-panjang sangat, you guys can rehat 20 second je. Okay, kita akan go to third squat. And then turun squat. And then third. Atas, okay. 2, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. Pastikan bila you guys squat, perut ni kena engage. Jangan perut dia lebih ke depan. Okay. Rest 30 second. Dan kita akan go to squat yang last kali. Squat yang last sekejap Okay, ready. Kita akan hold squat selama 30 saat. So, you guys pusing je. Macam tu. Hold squat. Pastikan engage squat and then hold. 30 second. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. Dah mula panas. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Masih tu satu set dia. Dah situ satu set kita akan rest for 60 second. 60 second maksudnya kita rest 1 minit saja. Sekejap. Tarik nafas geng. Okay. If you guys rasa tak boleh stabil bila pakai kasut tapak tebal, you guys can buang kasut and then squat dengan kasut yang flat ataupun kaki yang flat. Okay. Let's go. Kita mula yang kedua. Set yang kedua. Go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 15, 16, 17, 19, 20. Kenapa 20 ni? Rest 30 second. Ataupun 20 second. It's up to you. It's up to you, gang. Okay, let's go. Yang kedua, open your leg and then squat yang biasa and then let's go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 13, 14, 15, 16. Jangan risau, dia nampak macam sikit tapi if korang tak biasa, nanti dia akan dome effectnya sangat-sangat rasa macam dia macam ketam geng. 30 second and then Let's go. Tu. Set yang ketiga. Naik. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. Panas Panas. Santuy. Santuy. Last kali ni azab sikit. But don't worry. You guys can do it. Okay. Let's go. Full squat. 30 second. Ready? Go. 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30. Terpenuh memori Tengok. Oh kan Terpenuh memori. So kita dah habis 2 set. Okay. Ya, setiap 60 second. And then kita akan go to set yang ketiga. Set last kali. Lepas habis set, don't forget to cooling down. Kalau korang ada masa lebih, tak perlulah 30 second. Korang boleh rehat 60 second. Korang boleh ikut masa korang sendiri. Okay? Let's go. Last set. Come on. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. You can do it. You can do it. You can do it. Okay, let's go. Second exercise. Then 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Nafas. Jangan tahan nafas, kena bernafas. 60 second. 30 second. Right. Uploading. Okay, let's go. Yang ketiga. Hold. Then 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 9, 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Sikit lagi. Come on. If you guys tak boleh squat biasa, go dekat dinding and then you guys can do like that. Okay, let's go. Hold squat. Okay, hold kat dinding. Kita akan hold 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 24, 25, 26, 27, 29, 30. So difficult kan kalau squat. But I love squat. Me love squat. And then if you guys dah habis buat exercise ni, please comment down below and subscribe my channel. Bye gang. Don't forget to cooling down. Bye. Good luck. Good luck.